Today's video is brought to you by Todd Gwynn and Chris Jones. Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. As you can see behind me, I finally finished the Vader versus Kenobi Duel Diorama. And what I have the most fun doing in my dioramas these days is trying to make it as movie accurate as possible. So did I fare the test? Let's find out. My name's Frank Diorio. You're watching DioramaWorkshop.com. There you go. I hope you enjoyed that. Now, if you want to make this at home, everything you need is now available online. The free decals, the free blueprints are available on DioramaWorkshop.com. The tutorial is available on the YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the description below. And I didn't freeze. I just don't remember what I had to say. If you liked the video and you haven't already, please hit the like button, subscribe, and leave comments. I reply and read all of them. And I look forward to seeing you again very soon. My name's Frank Diorio. Ciao for now. Thanks for watching Diorama Workshop. If you want to see the entire list of currently available diorama build blueprints, decals, and tutorials, visit my website's Speed Index menu page. If you want to interact with me, you can find and follow me on these social media platforms. If you have a question about this video or any past Star Wars Celebration diorama booth builds, send me an email at dioramaworkshop.com@gmail.com. If you enjoyed this video, you now have access to the Super Thanks button, which allows you to send a one-time donation that helps support Diorama Workshop future builds and tutorials. If you want to encourage my website and channel long-term, you can now become a patron. Your support will help purchasing more materials for future builds and tutorials. Visit Patreon Diorama Workshop for more information. If you are interested in Diorama Workshop collectibles, you can now purchase all kinds of cool merch in the Diorama Workshop Spread Shop store. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, share, tell your friends and social media groups to check it out. You can see more about this build and 2 decades of Star Wars Celebration construction. Simply click on the link to warp to DioramaWorkshop.com, the official Star Wars Celebration Diorama Builders booth website.